Welcome to my video. In this video we are going to check out some Amazon gadget that literally everyone is buying from, gadgets that are really handy for home and daily life tasks. These are Amazon's most viral smart Amazon gadget you must see, and like always links to these gadgets will be in the description below. Cook smarter and faster with the Bella XL electric ceramic titanium griddle, designed for big breakfasts and family meals. Cooking surface can make up to 15 eggs at once, perfect for gatherings, meal prep, or busy mornings. The ceramic titanium nonstick coating is not only 8 times more durable than standard nonstick but also PFOA and PTFE free, ensuring healthy cooking and easy cleanup. With a powerful 1500W heating system, this griddle heats up quickly and evenly for consistent results a day. Experience effortless cooking with the Presto electric griddle, built for big breakfasts, family meals, and entertaining guests. Its extra-large 22-inch cooking surface gives you plenty of space to cook pancakes, eggs, bacon, or burgers all at once. The premium nonstick surface ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, while the Control Master heat control automatically maintains the desired cooking temperature for perfect results every time. The griddle base fits neatly and most standard. The heavy cast aluminum base is warproof and built to last, making it a reliable kitchen essential. Cook like a pro with the OVENTE GD1610B electric griddle, designed for fast, even, and mess-free cooking. With its large non-stick cooking surface, you can easily prepare pancakes, eggs, bacon, burgers, and more, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The adjustable temperature control gives you full command over your cooking, while the removable probe allows for easy cleaning. Its non-stick coating ensures effortless food release and quick wipe-downs after every use. Built with a cool touch. Make every meal easier with the Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle, your all-in-one solution for quick, family-sized cooking. With its extra-large non-stick cooking surface, you can prepare pancakes, eggs, burgers, bacon, and more all at once. The 1500-watt heating system delivers fast, even heat, while the temperature control dial ensures perfect results every time. The removable non-stick cooking plate and drip tray are both dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. It includes a recipe book. Cook big and serve even bigger with the large family griddle pan, designed for families, parties, and outdoor adventures. This double-burner griddle fits perfectly on gas or electric stovetops, giving you plenty of space to prepare pancakes, tortillas, eggs, bacon, burgers, fajitas, and more all at once. Crafted from premium PFOA-free non-stick aluminum, it heats evenly for perfect browning and effortless food release. The large cooking surface and dual handles make it easy to lift, carry. Thanks for watching.